All right, one last area we want to look at for on-page SEO is inside the language file inside Pinnacle Cart. So in the last couple of videos, we talked about product pages and having the right title tags and H1 tags and how to set up your own H2 tags, and down in here inside your descriptions, and how to add images into this box so you can keep your product in front of the customer as they scroll down your page. And obviously you want to be using keywords inside of here as well. You can also link to internal pages, obviously, simply by adding a link. Highlight the text and add a link to it to another product page, perhaps, to create internal linking or deep internal linking structures that way inside Pinnacle Cart. But another crucial thing to remember is to all of your on-page SEO. So like when a lot of this on-page SEO can be handled as you're building out your site, right? Because you've got your description, your product overview. You could even use keywords inside your attributes to make sure that the text on the page is good, chock full of keywords and whatnot. But another crucial area to remember is the language file, and a lot of people forget this because it's just not top of mind necessarily. But here's where you edit all this crucial text throughout the site. So there's another video on how to do this as well. But from an SEO perspective, let's come back and revisit it. We want to click on Edit Language, and now we're going to be brought to a page where we can choose. Here's all the different language that's used throughout our website through Pinnacle Cart. So here's the common field, and you've got all these different areas inside the catalog. Here's all the common language used inside the catalog. So we could say, search TV screen protectors, or search for a keyword here. I would insert a keyword there. We could do TV screen protectors search results. So we're just, again, adding keywords and throughout the common language that's used for just some of the basic functions for our site. And then we can go to a different area, to the shipping area, and say, okay, for anything regarding shipping, we could pay, where do you want us to ship your television screen protector? Where do you want to ship your HD TV screen protector? These kinds of things. So again, keep that in mind when you're building your site and you're doing your on-page SEO, that this language file is your friend. That's where you're going to have a lot of opportunity to edit a lot of the basic language throughout the site and create more keywords. Now, what you don't get to do is you don't get to edit H1s and title tags here, but that's not necessarily important because there's other places to go do that. What's important here is that the common language that shows up on the page is relevant to your industry, and that it's keyword. It can be keyword driven. So any opportunity you have to insert keywords on a page where you otherwise don't have control of the content on that page is crucial to do so. So again, use this to get here. You come up to Global Cart Settings, and then over to Language and Currencies, and then back over to the Language tab, and then you click on the Edit button here, and this brings you into this page here. And so then you can choose as you go through. You can kind of noodle through this and see where it's important that you do include keywords and important SEO phrases. So hope that was helpful.